My name's Dennis Bond. I am the owner of this lovely 1969 Camaro. I was born in 1969, so it's kind of, I think, a cool year, great year for muscle cars. I've always loved the 69 Camaros and a lot of the GMs. It's hard to pick one, but 69 Camaro has always been one of my favorites. Bought it in New Jersey. There were some body panel issues, things I wanted to straighten out a little more. Mechanically, it was pretty up to date, like modern, a good Restomod. Wheels, tires, the stance, I just think it all looks great. It all comes together really nice. I thought it was a really smooth process, and I learned a lot about cars and what goes into these, custom cars. Yeah, I would certainly recommend Custom Classics to anyone looking for body work, anything from minor restorations to paint work and all the way up to, something like this. It's a good experience, really good group of guys, all very talented. And I'm starting to think about the next one here as soon as I can. Like this shop, like the cars that he was doing, thought it'd be a good fit. So this is the product of Brian and his crew's great work. Couldn't be happier, it looks great. Can't think of anything that I would change. Except for a supercharger, but we'll see.